Hello, everyone. This is Joseph here. This YouTube channel's purpose is to help people who are being scammed by other people, especially contractors. I live in the state of Florida that's prominent around here, and I'm tired of seeing people being taken advantage. I'm tired of being taken advantage of by myself. So if you are in trouble, you have hired a contractor, and maybe you have a pit feeling in your gut that something's wrong with the contractor, you can research the county clerk of the court's website for that contractor and find out if they've filed lawsuits against individuals, insurance companies. Do your due diligence and find out about their background before you take things further with that contractor, and it will greatly help you stay out of trouble, keep yourself from being scammed. So you're going to go to find out what county your contractor is located in and the county clerk of the court's website. And then you're going to search for the company name. I found one contractor with 169 lawsuits. Most of them were to the insurance companies and some were to the individual. Would you hire that company? Do you wish that somebody would have told you to check that first before you hired the company? A lot of times when you're in a pinch, maybe you have a water leak or something's wrong with your plumbing, you want to trust the first person you hire and unfortunately there's so many people who will just take advantage. And if you find yourself in that situation, not everybody in Florida has money, so this channel is here to help you dig your way out of a problem. If you find yourself in a problem, you can also access a service called PACER, Public Access to Court Electronic Records, to research court cases. Comment below and share your experience and your questions, and I'll try to answer them in future videos. And let's work together to put a stop to scamming. You know, if we help each other, we can keep other people from getting in trouble. When you do access the county clerk of the court's website and you find your company has lawsuits, there are names of people who were involved in the lawsuits should you need to possibly try to reach out to them to help your own case if you're in trouble. Check it out, comment below, and I will make future videos more in depth on these subjects. I'm not an attorney. I do recommend you seek out legal advice if you don't have a lot of money. There are prepaid legal plans like MetLife Legal that can help you. However, attorneys can also be expensive, so it helps to know ahead of time what you're dealing with. You can search the title of your property, make sure the contractor hasn't tried to file a lien against you. If they do get a judgment and they do file a lien, that means they can sell your home to pay off the debt, and that's not a good thing. However, if it's been more than 90 days since the last day of meaningful work, they've now passed the statute of limitations to do that. There are some shady contractors who will file a lien without telling you. Comment below if you have any questions or you just want to share your experiences. Thanks for watching. Please help this channel by subscribing.